Guys, how's it going? All right, so I just want to do this video on this transmission whining noise on this RAM. So basically, with this truck, what happens is this truck has an issue with the transmission, and the reason why it's not the whine, it's not something other than the transmission front pump, is because it has a little bit different of a sound than steering pump issues. If the steering pump has low power steering issues, I'm gonna definitely give you guys an example of what this sounds like. And here's the thing with this. It kind of sounds like the transmission pump is about to go out. However, the difference is when you turn the wheel, the noise doesn't change. With a transmission pump, with a steering pump issue, what happens is when you turn the steering wheel, the noise pretty much gets louder. However, in this situation, and this has been an issue with this truck for maybe a good month, what happens is when you turn the steering wheel on this truck, the noise stay constant. On top of that, if it's idling, you can hear the noise, and the whining noise is pretty distinct. However, if you put it into gear, you put it into any other gear, the whining noise goes away. Now, one of the main reasons that is one of the main things that's causing this whining noise is because the front transmission pump isn't getting the fluid. It's not pushing enough transmission fluid through that pump, so it's creating that noise. And the main reason is because there's probably a clog somewhere in the transmission fluid filter, which would be causing this noise. But I'm just gonna let you guys listen to it. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys listen to it. It's pretty distinct. If you guys have this issue, you guys are probably gonna have a bunch of these codes show up. All right, there's also a check engine light that's on the dash, and a lot of these codes are connected to this transmission whine issue. All right, the codes are P0868, P0944, P0700, P0740, P0897 P1798, and this is associated with the 62TE transmission on this Dodge. If you guys have any experiences with this issue on this Dodge, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. And hopefully this will help out other people as well. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, all that good stuff. Right, guys, take care.